Running Google ads but not receiving leads, or maybe you're getting clicks but no conversions? Don't worry, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the more leads using Google ads, and also I will let you know the amazing automation which you can use to manage all your Google ads lead after capturing them. So before jumping into the automation part, let's discuss how you can get more leads from Google ads, because without right strategy, even best automation won't help. Alright, so now I'm going to share some amazing tips with you using which you can get more leads from your Google ads. So the first one is target the right keywords. So basically you need to target the right keywords based on your use, like using keywords such as buy, hire, get or book. Alright, now let's move forward to the second tip, which says use compelling ad copy. Basically, your ad should answer why someone should click on you. Add benefits, offers and strong CTAs like get free consultations or book demo now. Alright, now let's move forward to the third tip, which is optimizing your landing page. Sending traffic is not enough. Your landing page should convert them too. Keep it simple, fast and mobile friendly, and also include a clear form or CTA. And the last and most important tip that I would like to share is use lead form extensions. One of the easiest way to capture leads from your Google ads is using lead form extensions, using which users can easily submit their details even without visiting your websites. Alright, so these were the very simple and useful tips using which you can get more leads from your Google ads. Now let's move forward to the automation part, which will help you to manage your Google ads lead after getting them. So basically I have created a simple automation which automatically capture new leads from my Google ads and then add them in my Google Sheets and Zoho CRM automatically without any manual work. And to learn about this entire process, we are going to use an automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So to begin with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type my code, which is ROMYT, in the coupon section, and you're going to get an exclusive discount. Also for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and here you can see two methods. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. So we are going to use this new AI workflow builder and we are going to start a fresh chat. Now it says, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to write a single line of prompt explaining my workflow, and then let's see how it creates the workflow. Let me add that. So it says, when I get a new lead from Google Ads, add them in Google Sheets and Zoho CRM. So this is a single line of prompt that I've sent, and after analyzing my request, it is asking me for Google Ads trigger. So for that, we're going to select new lead form entry, and for Google Sheets, we're going to select add a new row, and for Zoho CRM, create contact. So here you can have a preview of workflow created by AI Workflow Builder. If it's correct, select approve and create, and you have received your workflow link. So with this, we have successfully created a workflow using AI Workflow Builder. Now we're going to move forward with the connection. But before that, let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already created a test lead form inside a test campaign in my Google Ads. So we're going to use this form to set up the webhook. Here I've added the business name. Here these are some required fields that I've selected, and in the right side you can have a preview of the form that I've created. We are going to scroll it little down. Here you can see the option of lead delivery, and under this you can see a webhook integration. Here for the webhook URL we are going to add the URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow, and for the key we are going to give a random name. Then we are going to click on the send as data button in order to receive a dummy response for all these fields on my webhook URL, and it says test data sent. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And you can see a new data has been received where we have received a dummy detail of city, dummy phone number, dummy email address, last name value as last name, and first name value as first name. So these are some dummy details, and with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now after setting up the trigger, let's move forward to the action. So after capturing the leads, I want to add them in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that what we are going to do is that we are going to build a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Here for building this connection, we are going to select add a new connection, and then we are going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then you're going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly, and you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me for the spreadsheet and the sheet. So I'm going to select my spreadsheet as new leads and my sheet as sheet 1. Then here it is asking me for the name, email, phone number and the city. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data we are going to enter slash first, and here we are going to map the first name value as first name, then we are going to enter a space, and then we are going to map the last name. Similarly we are going to map the email address, a dummy phone number, and lastly we are going to map the city. Alright, after adding the details we are going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets. Let's go and check it, and you can see a new detail has been added over here successfully. So with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after adding the details in Google Sheets, I'm going to create it as a new contact in my CRM, which is a Zoho CRM. You can connect your CRM as per your requirement, and again here to build this connection we are going to build a new connection, and it is asking for the domain. So to get the domain, let me take you to my Zoho CRM account, and here in the URL you can see my domain is zoho.in. We are going to copy it and we are going to add it over here. Then here you can see Pabbly is requesting for the access, so we're going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly, and you can see we're now successfully connected. Let's move forward. Here it is asking for a lead source, so we're going to select it as advertisement, and then comes these details. So again we are going to map the data over here. For the first name we are going to map the first name, here we are going to map the last name, here we are going to map the email address. This title is not required one, so we're going to leave them blank. For the phone number we're going to add the dummy phone number. Same goes with the mobile number because we have received a single number over here, and these fields are not required one, so we're going to leave all of them blank. Then we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact inside our Zoho CRM. Let's refresh it. And you can see a new contact has been created with the name, first name, last name. This is the email address and this is the phone number. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to get more leads in your Google Ads and manage them automatically without any manual effort. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.